Myself Rashi Shukla, Assistant Professor, FCM Department, Rama University. Today I am here to present my topic, what is marketing or a market? Market. Market is a place where product and services buy and sell through seller and purchaser. मार्केट एक ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज बाय एंड सेल होते हैं. What is marketing? Marketing includes all the activities starts from the manufacturing till selling. Marketing is not only to promote the product but to include all the activities like manufacturing, then packaging, then distributing, then selling and finally consumed by the customers. That is why marketing includes all the activities of different operations performed by a different producers. For example, marketing includes the production, manufacturing of a product, then what? Packaging. After packaging, next step is what? Marketing. After marketing, next step is what? Distributing. After distributing, next step is what? Selling and selling and finally consumed by the customer. Now come to the point, what are the different marketing philosophies adopted by the different brand owners or different companies? There are 5 types of marketing philosophy. First one is what? Production philosophy. Production philosophy basically includes the production concept. The company which believes in producing a large number of items in order to earn a huge profit is basically works on what? Production concept. For example, like Nokia phones, like Tata Tea, like Samsung phones. Okay. Apart from that, in contrast of production concept, next is what? Product concept. The company which basically deals with the product concept is focused on the product build and quality. For example, Apple phones. Apple company is product oriented company. They believe on the product quality and the product features rather than the number of items. Understood? The company which adopted the product concept is what? The Apple company. Apart from Apple company, the another example is what? The luxurious car segments. For example, when we ordered a car, there is a waiting for purchasing that car, because the car or a four-wheeler segment based on what? Product concept. Next concept is what? Next philosophy is what? Selling concept. Selling concept is basically deals with the selling of a particular product in a quick manner. So selling concept basically deals with selling a product. For example, they adopted different strategies to sell a particular product. For example, advertising, sales promotion. In sales promotion, they includes various offers like buy one get one, 25% off, 50% off. These all are the various activities or the various strategies adopted by the sellers to sell a product in a quick and a fast manner. Next is what? Marketing concept. Marketing concept is basically deals with what? To promote a product and the promotion increase the sale of the product. The company which basically adopted the marketing concept only focuses on to promote a product and advertise the product in order to create the awareness about the product in the minds of the customers. Marketing product example is what? Samsung, LG products, life goods, tagline. Apart from that, Tata Tea is the marketing concept, adopting the marketing concept. Now come to the next point is last one is what? Social marketing concept. Social marketing concept is adopted by a different brand owners in order to eradicate the social problems from the society as well as to create the environment clean and healthy. For example, in social marketing concepts, they adopted a different strategies. For example, to buy a particular product and the 10% or a 20% goes to the free education imparted to the girls' child education. Understood? Second example is what? Adopted the clean and free environment strategies. For example, rather than polythene, adopted the paper wax. packaging, and it is helpful to remove the environmental pollution from our society. That concept is basically work on social marketing concept. Understood? Now come to the next point. What are the importance of marketing? Importance of marketing basically includes in two divisions. First one is what? Towards society. Marketing helps to raise the standard of living of different people existed in our society, because marketing provides the different gadgets, different items, different technologies, and through different products that helps to improve the living standard of each and every people from the society. Next is marketing helps to create what? Employment. Marketing provides the different employments in different departments, like in manufacturing department we need engineers, manufacturing engineers. In packaging department we need engineers. In marketing department we need marketing managers. In advertiser department we need strategists and the advertisers. In distribution department we need different transport facilities. That is why marketing plays a very important role in creating the employment opportunities in our society. Next is what? Development of economy. Marketing helps to develop the economy by giving by giving different types of taxes to the government, and that taxes helps to build up the society, build up the country in a very fast forward manner. Next is what? Towards company. What are the importance of marketing towards company? First one is what? Helps in transfer and movements of goods and services. Marketing helps to transfer and move the goods and services from one place to another by different transportation facilities. Next is what? Source of revenue. Marketing is the best example of creating a source of revenue by earning a profit by selling the different products and earn a profit in a huge manner. Next it was source of new ideas. Marketing also creates a new ideas, because when we analyze the strategies of the competitors, then we also try to improve or modify our product according to the new features and new ideas that is acceptable, that is adopted by, that is create a attraction and adopted by the different brand owners in order to create the what? Attractiveness towards the customers. For example, customer buy your product rather than the competitor's product, like Coke and Pepsi, like Maaza and the Slice. These all are the what? Competitors. Next is what? What is the difference between the traditional marketing and the modern marketing? Traditional marketing is the older concept, whereas modern marketing is the new and the latest concept. Traditional marketing is basically believed or concerned with the sale and distribution of goods and services. But in modern marketing, first of all we have to analyze the customer needs, wants and desires. Then we adopt the policy of sales and distribution according to the customer demands, according to the customer's requirement. But in traditional marketing, it focuses on sellers as it is sale oriented. But the modern marketing is focused on consumer as it is consumer oriented, because consumers' needs, wants and desires is important for manufacturing of any product and services. And accordingly, if customers prefer your product, customer builds loyalty towards your product, then he frequently purchases your product only rather than the competitor's product. Next is what? The selling efforts are company oriented. In traditional marketing, the company is only focused on the selling concept rather than the marketing or the customer concept. But in the modern marketing concept, the selling efforts are market oriented, because when first of all we have to analyze the market, we have to analyze the different competitors, then we modify our product according to the customer desires, and it helps to increase the scale effects of a particular product and services. Last is what? Profit through sales volume. In traditional marketing believes in the selling concept, because if we sales frequently in a large number, then we earn profit. But in modern marketing concepts, profit earned through customer satisfaction, because customer satisfaction plays a very important role in modern marketing concept. If customer is satisfied with your product, then he frequently buys your product rather than the competitors. That is why customer satisfaction is important than the selling concept. Understood? And last one is what? Traditional marketing is basically work on the short term concept, because it only focus on the selling of a product at a particular time. But in modern marketing concept, we don't focus on the selling, but we focus on build up a huge and a customer relationship, and we focused on the maintaining a long term relationship with the customers. That is why Tata Namak still creates a monopoly in the market. Any other salt brands did not exist till now except the Tata Namak in the society. Another example is Nescafe. Nescafe is the best example, because when we call a name of coffee, the first name is come in our mind is Nescafe. That is why Nescafe enhances the taste of a coffee, and Nescafe and changes the packaging of a particular bottle, and that is why it creates a monopoly in the market. Other coffee brands like Brew and Tata Coffee are not acceptable till now by the customers, but Nescafe always create a market share, always create a goodwill in the market. Okay, thank you. That's all from my side.